everyone, and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
What's up, Mel?
Nothing much, but wait, did we get permission to do our activity today?
We absolutely got permission to do this activity today.
Awesome.
And I have a very sneaking suspicion that you might have booby-trapped something.
Nah, I don't booby trap, Carr.
I don't know.
It does say do not open, but I know. Do you have that urge to kind of just open it anyway?
I'm completely gonna open it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I hope this is just water.
Yeah, you can just lift it. Oh!
Hey! That went spraying out.
Cool. It says do not open, Carr.
Well, I guess I
Hello.
got what was coming.
Yeah. You know, look. You notice it's not.
Yeah. So I closed it back up, and now it's not
Let's try it
sprinkling anymore.
So we open it up, and it. Whoa! Check it out.
Oh, that's
Sprinkler.
cool. You know what I noticed? When you open it, I saw bubbles, like that little bubble
Yes.
going up there. So I'm gonna guess that this has something to do with air pressure.
It does have air pressure. What this bottle does is actually puts or stops the air pressure from the air from releasing, so it's actually pressurized, so it doesn't come up from these holes that I made.
Cool.
Cool. Would you like to make one?
I would love to make one.
All right. I thought you would. So I went ahead, Carr, and I got a bottle. You can get any kind of empty bottle. This one is fine too, but I have one like this.
And this one's already full of water.
That's already full with water. You try to fill it close to the top.
Okay.
Make sure you tighten the top part. All you need is a little push pin.
Okay.
Okay, be careful with that, okay, because it's very sharp. And you just poke holes throughout the bottle. Now, the first time you poke a hole in the bottle, there will be some water releasing, but that's okay because it's helping to balance the air pressure. So go ahead and poke a hole. Take one out. There you go. And you can do another one.
Oh, okay. So there's a couple dribbles, but that's cool.
Yeah. You can do just a couple dribble. It's trying to.
Oh, I squeezed it. I created that chaos.
It's okay. You could just do a couple.
Ah! I squeezed it a little too hard.
You squeezed it too hard. So you did two.
I think that's plenty.
Right. So let's see. Does yours work? There's your sprinkler.
That's cool.
Isn't that cool? You can add food coloring too if you want to make it more colorful, but you know, clear water is fine too.
That's pretty cool.
That was
Guys,
fun.
if you like this activity as much as I did, I was a little surprised by it. I kind of got water all over myself. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. And if you have an idea for an activity we should do, leave it in the comments below because maybe we'll do your activity right here on our next episode. Bye, guys.